Hello students, let us continue exercise 5.3. We have already discussed question number 6. Now we discuss question number 7. Find the sum of first 22 terms of an AP in which D equal to 7 and 22 term is 149. Find the sum of first 22 term. This means S22. We find S22. Given difference is 7 and 22 term 149. Now D equal to 7, A22 equal to 149, N equal to 22. N is number of term. Now formula of An equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. Value of N is 22. So we write A22 equal to 1 plus value of N is 22, 22 minus 1 into value of D is 7. Multiply 7. 22 minus 1, 21. Multiply 7. Value of A22 is 149. So we write 149. 149 is equal to A plus 21 7 is 147. Transpose of 147 to the right side, change within sign, that is minus 147. 149 minus 147 equal to 2. Value of A is 2. Now we find the sum of S22 term. Now we write the formula of Sn is n upon 2 bracket A plus An. An is last term. Value of n is 22. So we write S22 equal to 22 upon 2. Value of n is 22 bracket. Value of A is 2 and last term A22 is given that 149. So we write 149. 149 plus 2, 151. Multiply 2 1 ja 2, 2 1 ja 2. That is 11. 11 multiply 151 is equal to 1661. Hence, your required value of A is 2 and S22 equal to 1661. Now we discuss next question, 8th. Find the sum of first 51 terms of an AP whose second and third terms are 14 and 18 respectively. Find the sum of first 51 terms. Second term A2, this is A2. A2 equal to 14 and third term is 18. So we can say that A3 equal to 18. A2 equal to 14 and A3 equal to 18. Formula of A2 can write A plus D equal to 14. This is your first equation. A3 equal to 18, A plus 2D equal to 18. Now solving equation 1 and 2. A plus 2D equal to 18, A plus 1D equal to 14. On subtracting, plus A change in minus A, plus D change in minus D, plus 14 change in minus on subtracting. A cancel out. 2D minus 1D equal to 1D, that is D. 18 minus 14 equal to 4. D equal to 4. Value of D is 4. Put D equal to 4 in equation 1. This is your first equation. Value of D is 4. A plus 4 equal to 14. So we write A plus 4 equal to 14. Value of D is 4. Transpose of plus 4 to the right side, change with its sign, that is minus 4. Plus 4, change in right side, minus 4. 14 minus 4, 10. Value of A is 10. Now we find the S51. Formula of Sn is n upon 2 bracket 2A plus n minus 1 into D, where n equal to 51. So we write S51 equal to 51 upon 2. Value of n is 51 upon 2. 51. Bracket 2. Value of a is 10. 2 multiply 10 plus value of n is 51. 51 minus 1. Value of d is 4. This is your d. So we write multiply 4. Value of d is 4. 50 minus 1. 51 minus 1. 50 into 4. 10 to the 20. Now next 54 ja 200. 200 plus 20. 222. 2 1 ja 2. 2 1 ja 2. 2 1 ja 2. 2 0 0. 110. 110 multiply 51. That is 5610. This is your required answer. Now we discuss 9th question. If the sum of first 7 term of an AP is 49 and that of 17 term is 289, find the sum of n term. This is the formula of Sn n by 2 bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Given S7 equal to 49 and S17 equal to 289. Now write the formula of S7 can be n upon 2. Value of n is 7. 7 upon 2 bracket 2a plus n minus 1. Value of n is 7. 7 minus 1 into d equal to 49. Similarly, value of n is 17. So we write 17 upon 2 bracket 2a plus n minus 1 means 17 minus 1 into d equal to 289. Now multiplying on both sides by 2 upon 7. So we get 49 multiply 2 upon 7. Reciprocal of 7 upon 2 is 2 upon 7. Similarly, reciprocal of 17 upon 2 is 2 upon 17. So 289 multiply 2 upon 17. 7 minus 1, 6d. 2a plus 6d is equal to 49 multiply 2 upon 7. Similarly, 2a plus 17 minus 1, 16d. 16d is equal to 289 multiply reciprocal of 17 upon 2 is 2 upon 17. 7 1 ja 7. 7 7 ja 49. 17 1 ja 17. 17 1 ja 17. 11. 17 7 ja 111. 17 2 ja 34. 17 2 ja 14. This is your first and second equation. Now solve equation 2 and first. On subtracting, change the sign. Plus 2a change in minus 2a. Plus 6d change in minus 6d. Plus 14 change in minus. On subtracting, 2a 2a cancel out. 16d minus 6d 10d equal to 34 minus 14 equal to 20. Divide on both sides by 10, we get 20 upon 10. 0 0 cancel, d equal to 2. D equal to 2. Hence common difference d equal to 2. Put this value in equation 1. 2a plus 6d equal to 14. 2a plus 6, value of d is 2. 6 into 2 equal to 14. 6 2 is 12 equal to 14. 2a is equal to 14. Transpose of plus 12. Transpose of plus 12 to the right side, change with its sign, that is minus 12. Plus 12 change in right side, minus 12. 14 minus 12, 2. 2a equal to 2. Divide on both side by 2, we get a equal to 1. 2 upon 2 means 1. Value of a is 1. And value of d is 2. Now we find the sum of n term. Find the sum of first n term. This is the formula of Sn. Now put the value of a is 1 and value of d is 2. 2 1 ja 2. 2 into n 2n minus 2 1 ja 2 minus 2. 2 2 cancel out. N upon 2 multiply 2n. 2 2 again cancel out. N into n, n square. Hence the sum of n term of given AP is n square. This is your required answer. Do question number 7, 8, 9 in your fair notebook. Thank you.